h minus f of x, all of this over h. The hard part is right here, finding f of x plus h. So my function looks like my f of x function is defined as 7x squared plus 4x. What I want to find first is f of x plus h. So wherever I see x in this function, I'm going to replace it with x plus h. So I've got 7 times x plus h, quantity squared, plus 4 times x plus h. We'll handle this and this in a moment. Once we get this right, I'll calculate it out. This becomes, now you've got this in your notes, x plus h, quantity squared. You got to FOIL this out. So this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And distributing the 4 here, 4 times x plus 4 times h. And now I'm going to subtract the f of x function. The f of x function is right here. So subtracting this is going to change both of these signs. It's going to give you a negative 7x squared and a minus 4x. That minus sign, when you're subtracting f of x, changes both these signs. And of course, this is all over h, but we'll worry about that in a minute. Distributing these terms here, we get 7x squared plus 14xh plus 7h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus 7x squared minus 4x. Now, if you've done this properly, you're going to get all sorts of good cancellation. The 7x squares are going to cancel out. The positive 4x and the minus 4x are going to cancel out. And that leaves you 3 remaining terms. You get 14xh plus 7h squared plus 4h, and now this guy is all divided by h, as this difference quotient says. Now, once again, if this is done properly, you're going to have a factor of h common to all the terms in the numerator. And so this is h times 14x plus 7h plus 4, all of this divided by h, and then the h's cancel out, leaving you right here 14x plus 7h plus 4, which is letter C. All right, difference quotient taken care of. And number 18. At least I got from 17 to 18 properly. That's a plus. Given f of x is defined as x minus 6 over 9, and g of x defined as 4x plus 1. We're working with the composition. He's asking us to find g composite. That's the open circle. It's not times, it means composite. If it was times, there wouldn't be any symbol there as it was in the it was 15 or 16 problem. G composite f of 42. So, just the way it's written, g's first, f second. I'm going to find g of f of 42. This will give me a number. Once I know what f of 42 is, I want to find g of whatever that value is. F of 42. In place of x here, I'm going to substitute in 42. So this is 42 minus 6 divided by 9. And let's see, this is 36 divided by 9. So that's nice because it comes out to be a whole number. So f of 42, right here, this works out to be 4. So now I got to find g of that. G of 4. The g function, g function right here, let's see, so it says in place of x here, I'm going to substitute in 4, so it would be 4 times 4 plus 1, this would be 16, plus 1, and lo and behold, you get 17, which is letter A. Number 19. F of x defined as 6x minus 8, and g of x, defined as, well, it's a big one. What is it here? It's negative 2x squared minus 2x minus 8. All right. So we want g composite f. G composite f of the number 4. All right. So this becomes g of whatever f of 4 is. All right. So just the way you see g first, f second, and then 4. G first, f second. There's your 4. Let's find out what f of 4 is. The f function, f of 4. So in place of x right here, I'm going to substitute 4. So this is 6 times 4 minus 8, which is 24 minus 8. And if I do that properly, that's 16. So now we got to find g of, this guy worked out to be 16, g of 16. So, of course, it would be this long guy here. So let's take a look at this. This is minus 2 times 16 squared minus 2 times 16 minus 8. So minus 2, 16 times 16, let's see, 96, that's 256. Minus 2 times 16, which is 32, minus 8. So this is, let's see, minus 2 times 256. That's a 12 carried a 1. 11 looks to be 512. That's a negative. And a minus, let's see, a minus 32 combined with a minus 8 is a minus 40. A minus 512 and a minus 40 is a minus 550. Minus 552. Love it when it works out.